Hey guys, what's going on today? I'm going to be showing you guys how to make infinite money in Hook Racing 2. So first what you'll need is an auto clicker, and once you start setting it up, have it about probably 2 or 1 millisecond, just something really low like that. And you want to place auto clicker right at the bottom right corner of the start button there. And then for the vehicle you want the Super Off-Road. And you can have everything max, but the grip, it's got to be about 15 or lower. And for the stage, we'll do the moon. And so I'll start this and show you guys how it runs. And yeah, so see how it repeatedly hits the gas pedal and these go. And you get tons of air times and tricks and stuff like that. And then I'll show you guys once I die, or run out of fuel, whatever comes first. So once I die, it'll just keep going. It'll click there and it'll start button again, and it'll just keep looping and looping. So, and then the auto clicker I used, I think it's called like Auto Clicker 3 or something like that in Google Play Store. And I did get this off. I did watch a video a while back about someone doing this. I'll find the video and I'll post it in the description. It wasn't my idea, so I want to give credit, you know. So anyways, yeah, this is how this infinite money hack works in One-EyedDriver.